How to become an agent in OneXpert app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, you need to navigate to the XBetShop website, or you can simply search for a OneXpert agent. In the search result, you will see the link with xbetshop.com. Head over to this website. After you're in the website, you will see this kind of interface. Now over here, you can see this Become an Agent option. Tap on it. It will prompt you with a form. You can fill out these informations in order to become the OneXpert agent. Select your country, enter your first name, provide your email address, provide your phone number, select the method of contact. If you want to ask anything, you can tap on this Your Message section and type in your questions. Once you are done, you can tap on the Send button. You can follow along the process. Now that your form is submitted, the official managers will come up with the response soon. So you have to wait patiently until then. So that's it. That's how you can easily become agent on OneXpert app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.